Welcome to our spring open house tour. St. Mary's Catholic School has been in existence since 1959 and has a long and rich tradition since the Sisters of Mercy came from Ireland and founded our school. We have parents, we have grandparents, and we have students who also have a long tradition of being at our school. Several of our teachers also were students at this school. Bishop John Noonan has said that no child should ever be left out of a Catholic school because they could not afford to attend. So we offer Step Up for Student scholarships, Family Empowerment scholarships, Gardner scholarships, McKay scholarships, and we also have financial aid. There should be no reason that anyone should not be able to come and join us at our wonderful school. Now I would like to introduce you to Miss Janet Hart, who is our office manager and who also is a former student of St. Mary Catholic School. And she will take you on a tour of our wonderful school.
Hi, I'm Janet, and I'm just going to show you around our beautiful grounds of St. Mary's. We have gates around every playground, around the whole school for security. Now we're going to enter the Early Childhood Center. We're going to start with the library, which is out front. Right now in our library, we're having our fall book fair. We also have another one in the spring. Students in the school come to library once a week, pre-K 3 through 8th graders. We're going to start with Miss Julia's class. She's our VPK teacher. We do offer VPK for our 4-year-olds. And here we are. This is Miss Julia's VPK class. We do offer after-school care from 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock every night. This is our after-school classroom for the little ones, for the pre-K 3 through 2nd grade, and then the 3rd graders through the 8th graders have aftercare in the library. Now we're into Mrs. Phelps' pre-K 3 classroom.
Hi, this is pre-K 3. I'm Mrs. Phelps. Welcome to St. Mary's.
Welcome to Mrs. Bertheume's kindergarten class.
Welcome to kindergarten. Can everyone say good morning? Good morning. Today we have special friends with us because we learned that God made the animals this week, so we all got to bring a little animal. And our animals are learning how to read, our animals are learning how to write, to sing and dance, to count. We're teaching our animals everything we've learned so far in kindergarten. Can everyone sit in your seat and show your animals? Victor, in your seat, thank you.
Over here we have our parish office. And then over here is our church where the students will go to Mass every Wednesday.
Catholic faith is important to me because at St. Mary's School it's very important that you learn it. It doesn't matter if you're Catholic or not.
We have our basketball court and we have our soccer field, and that's where Coach has PE. This wing right here is for middle school, 6th through 8th. Our students for middle school, they switch classes so we can prepare them for switching classes when they go to high school. For their garden club, we do a hydroponic garden. They're learning through technology how to grow vegetables, herbs, and different flowers.
Hi, my name is Suzanne Strain, and I have been at St. Mary's School for 25 years. And a theme that I believe in is believe there is good in the world and be the good in the world. So my class is trying to make a difference in the world. And I teach my children that it's not all about the smart, it's about the heart. So we do many projects here at St. Mary's to try to teach the children to make a difference in the world.
The specials our students go to would be, they go to music once a week, they have PE twice a week, they also go to art once a week, and then we offer Spanish for our middle school. We have for sports for our middle school, and also some sports are offered for our little ones, pre-K 3 through kindergarten. We offer flag football and soccer. For middle school we offer volleyball, basketball, soccer, track, and we play the other Catholic schools in Brevard County. This is our middle school science lab. This is where Mrs. Alexis will bring students down to do a science lab project. Also, we offer science research, and this is where they will work on their projects during Science Research Club. This is our tech lab. The teachers will come here to bring all their students here if they have a project where every student requires a computer. The classrooms are equipped with Chromebooks. Every classroom has a smart board that the teachers use for instruction.
I've been here since kindergarten, and we have amazing people like our teachers and our friends, and just everybody here is really nice.
The biggest tradition at St. Mary's School is when the whole school gathers around this courtyard and we do the Pledge of Allegiance and the Rosary every morning.
Thank you for joining our virtual open house tour. Please contact us today and see how a Catholic education can make a difference in your child's life.